Greetings, sociopaths. Well, I am super excited to make this announcement. We are going to have a big Midwest meetup in Springfield, Missouri this summer. That's right, you get to meet me, but more importantly, I get to meet you. Now, this is going to take place on June 16th, the day before Father's Day, so you can have an awesome day before you celebrate that dad in your life. Or if you're a dad that sews, like me, you can have an extravagant sewist sociopath weekend. I'm thrilled to announce our title sponsor is Fabric Outlet of Springfield, Missouri. Now, every DADSEWS fan around the Springfield area told me Fabric Outlet is the store you want to meet at. Not only do they have a great selection of fabrics, they have knits, and I know you guys love knits, plus a gigantic bargain basement with slashed prices on high quality fabrics. So I'm excited to see what kind of trouble and fabric stashing we can get into. Now, of course, we're gonna need a place to party and eat. That's why I have booked us a spot at the Springfield Brewing Company. We are gonna chow down in style with a barbecue and brisket buffet. That's right, I just said all you can eat barbecue and brisket, and it don't get better than that. We'll be joined by special guests including Christie Fitzpatrick of George and Ginger. She recently set the sewing community on fire with her show at New York Fashion Week, and I'm sure if you have any questions, she'll be happy to tell you all about it. And Lauren Mormino of More Me Know will also be attending. She makes fabulous purses, all those nerdy dresses, and she has really cool enamel pins, and I've convinced her to bring some along because I know you all would love to see it and probably want to purchase a few before you leave. I'll be announcing additional special guests soon, plus we're gonna have tons of giveaways, free fabric, prizes, raffles, and more. Now, I have a special deal on your ticket price in just a moment, but before you come to the Sociopath Meetup in Springfield, I want you to sew something. That's because we're gonna have a special sew swap at the meetup. That's right, you're gonna sew something cool, somebody else is gonna sew something cool, and then we're going to trade those items. You might even win something from one of those great sewing luminaries I mentioned before. Now, because you're a sociopath, I want to give you a special but limited time offer. The standard event price is going to be $35, which includes the fabric store outing, giveaways, special guests, lunch with drinks. But for you, for a very limited time watching this video, I'm going to give you $5 off. So all you have to do is go to dadsews.com/event deal and you will receive $5 off of your ticket. Now, don't forget to share this video, email it to a friend, share on Twitter, share on Facebook. And I'm gonna be watching on Facebook for somebody to share this video and tag DADSEWS, and I'm gonna give them a free event ticket. So even if you purchase a ticket, your money will be refunded because I am super excited to meet as many of you as I can in Springfield, Missouri this summer. All right, guys, I will see you with a new video very soon.
DADSEWS, this is how it goes with DADSEWS.